Rise of the Resistance. But here's the joke.
No.
So we're hanging out with the people we belong with. You know, we
In our
belong.
heart.
We are influencers in our hearts.
That was crazy.
Yeah, just like everything you say. So let's take a look. Let's go through the crowd. Who have we seen there? We've already seen Trace
saw
back there.
him.
Again. Sami, me, I'm here. But yeah, everyone has lanyards. And do you see a lanyard on either of us? It's okay. We're okay. Here we go, taking a look at everyone here. Look, see? Star Wars Land closed. Those people that were sitting right there like looked at us with the weirdest look. Look, see, here's all the influencers, guys. Wow. That's all the people that make people cringe. Guess who's not going to see? Influencers, say hi. Oh, it looks like they're moving in. Let's show them going in. You know, this is the only vlog you'll ever see from outside Galaxy's Edge New Media Preview.
We did it.
We did it, guys.
For a record.
We did it. Look, see? They're not moving. Never mind. I was gonna say, you can't get this perspective anywhere else. But see, like, we haven't even seen half of these people ever, so we're not sure. Oh, there they go. Look, where else can you see this view? Wow, look at this view. Guy that's working on Runaway Railway just came over and talked to us, but we're not 100% sure. He just started showing us the video. See, spoiler alert, by the way, your ride vehicle lifts. Like,
You're gonna be okay.
what the heck? Guys, I can't wait like 20 more hours because I need to ride this ride. Let's go, let's go. We're going to the media. Right now, we're media now. I can't wait. Like, yeah, sorry, no one's fun. He's like, oh, it's okay, you'll see it in a few minutes. I was like, oh.
No, we're not seeing it. We're not media.
You know, just a few more hours. If we do it tomorrow, it's no deal. Guys, look at the line of security. Like, I was not planning on vlogging, but look, they're literally like giving out drinks and stuff in there. Like, and there's someone talking. You hear the person talking from like the loudspeaker.
You guys are doing great. I love you guys.
Do you hear there's like stuff going on in there? Wait, come over here. See through the tunnel there a little bit? Guys, this is really pathetic. We should be on the media list. Are there people in line?
I don't know.
Yeah. Oh, there's people in line right there. You can see the people walking closest to this pillar right. Ah, finger. Right there. Oh god. They're in line for the ride, it looks like. But we still have 20 minutes until the pre starts. How excited are you for Rise of the Resistance?
I'm really excited. Now I am. I wasn't before,
Okay,
but now.
like, that guy literally just the video. The car. It's like, how much are you gonna go up? Like,
If you guys didn't know, this is like
I'm
baby.
#1 Rise of the Resistance fan. Like, I bet no one else here stood outside that ride for like 3 hours.
No, we would stand here and we would just sit and
I
look.
would like peep
At
through
the
the little,
building.
I'd be like looking through the holes. I noticed every single thing. This is really shaky. I'm like,
Do you want me to
I'm holding it like this. So, they're just being like so chalant too. They're just like, oh, if you have a BB-8, go on in. It's like,
We don't have a BB-8 or a media pass.
some people care about this ride a little too much. You know?
Do you?
Yeah, it's me. It's me. Okay, we're studying, so you can watch us study. Then edit this later.
Okay. How many association meetings are there anyway?
Our finals in 12 hours.
What's the average meeting you're running?
Average meeting a lot? Wait, what meeting? Is it Smurf or not?
Take one step closer. I think Smurf. No, it's corporate. I think it's just corporate. Average corporate.
Wait, no, it's like 2,000.
Don't take another
25,000? 30,000. 45,000. 42,000.
It is 36,000. So 1,000 above the average wedding.
Okay, one below you.
Yeah.
200,000.
Up.
300,000.
Up.
400,000.
Up.
500,000.
Up.
600,000. 700,000. A million.
No. There you go.
Okay, we need to actually study, so I thought I knew this more than I did. Okay, it's been... Oh, wrong.
That is.
Like 5 minutes. We studied a little bit more. I started getting answers right, guys.
You
Isn't that
did.
exciting?
I'm proud of you. Except he can't do basic math, but
Apparently not,
It's
no.
okay.
I mean, we saw that in the video, though. It's just been kind of a stream of people.
not us.
Not us. We're still sitting here. Probably forever. Should we go network with him? Like this video if you think we should. We should have... He literally was showing us the video. We probably could have talked our way into the preview. Yeah, because we look ridiculous. We're holding my
No, we
iPhone
look
6,
great.
filming ourselves just talking to the camera when everyone else isn't there. So,
We just walked around.
follow him. Hey, you know, maybe if we start a revolution, if we get all of these people around here, like, they can't stop all of us, right? What else are the drones for? Oh, before I end the video, I think I saw the drones earlier when we were standing there waiting. There was this like red and green light and white flashing light that just flew through the sky. And it looks like a plane, but I don't think it was.
It was a drone, probably.
Probably.
Most.
Something's happening over there. They're like flashing lights on the spires too.
That just might be the coolest thing I've ever
That was the coolest thing ever. That was.
Oh, they're playing music.
Guys, that was amazing.
We're listening to it. We're not watching.
There he is. There he is. It's open. It's open.
Is it really?
Yeah.
They opened the land?
No, but they opened the ride officially.
Yeah.
Officially. Even though, yeah. So Mr. Bob Chapek was like, yeah, we're still watching all the guests walk in. And we were sitting there as the cast members blocked us into the land. So he lied. No, that's awkward. It didn't zoom. He lied. Liar. Look at those searchlights. I don't know if you can see them. You guys can't see them. We're fully embracing that 2% chance. We're going to hang out there because you never know.
Woo!
We already got to see the drones.
We found a hospitality.
Literally everyone's watching the live stream. You just like walk between people and hear Bob Chapek's voice just like echoing. It's weird. It's so weird. So weird. Made a beeline for us to try and stop us. We're just in our spot. We're chilling. What did you think of the stuff we could see? Guys, this is gonna be awesome. There's people leaving already.
What the heck? We're gonna go. There were people out here that had their like lanyards on. And
I feel like if you're leaving before riding the ride, you should just pass your lanyards off to people. Personal. Yeah, literally. We literally walked here and she just like took her lanyard on her leg. We're suspicious because we're guests sitting in a guest area. They're probably not going to be opening the ride.
no, keep walking.
So, yeah. Oh, this is a terrible view, sorry. But we decided to ditch, they're not gonna open. Slinky's only 45, so we're gonna go ride Slinky. And study while we're in line. In line for Slinky Dog, it's only a 20-minute wait. And we're almost there. Like look, we've only been waiting for like 10 minutes.
Filled up.
Everyone's favorite time?
Yeah.
Literally this time. Fun. This is the fast pass for concert. I don't know how much we're gonna film the rest of the night. Because we weren't planning on filming tonight. We just kind of started. So,
Short vlog.
What's the winner?
we suck!
Playing
Oh my
partners.
god. We're so bad. It hurts so much. Oh, we lost. Look at that. How do people get 500,000? Like, that's impossible.
It's a hoax.
Oh. Look, there's Sarah Please. Wow. Toy Story Mania. Zero times tonight. 0. 0. Did not soft open, so.
But we
Yep.
did ride Slinky, the bus ride.
And we only waited 16 minutes, so I mean that's kind of weird. Everyone's looking at us weird, but at this point they're never gonna see us again. It's cold. There's parts like dead. Like everything's a 10-minute wait. We did like ride everything probably in the last hour.
But we have an exam.
So we're leaving. Bye guys, thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe.
I know we've been to Hollywood Studios quite a bit, but like, how could you not? It's like, anyway, thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.